You also mentioned that at some point you guys were able to get some equipment and do some training.
Yes.
And again, such a short period of time, and you were able to solve a problem, but that entails potentially changing some of their practices, right? And for them to learn how to do new things, how receptive and adaptable were they? Because in our world, it takes sometimes months or years to implement something, right? So what was your experience in that matter?
The most fascinating observation I had was that every person was humble, eager to partner and learn. In fact, I should highlight this: doctors, nurses, clinicians, administrators, those are really titles that we're used to in our part of the world. For Dorita Hospital, it's as simple as just wanting to take care of patients that have emergent needs and need care, and they have traveled miles either on foot or by vehicle, climbing down the mountains to come see and get some care. Every person who works there is fully dedicated to why they are there. Their heart and mission are tied in close proximity. And so what we found was that when we brought a set of tablets, understanding through our dialogue prior to going there that could be helpful, we found nurses and physicians wanting to learn how to use it. And I'm not exaggerating at all. Within an hour, learned how to access EMR on the tablet, how to document using the tablet, how to look up images, and then actually interact with patients with those tablets. So while it's a tablet, and it might sound like, do we really have to have tablets? Just imagine what it does from a care experience, appropriate and accurate documentation perspective, and availability of that information for other parts of the processes for the facility. So there were doctors and nurses that were just hungry to learn and use technology, which is sometimes not affordable, or I should say many times not affordable, not available from the resources that you have available. And we only found people wanting to learn and just grab as much as possible in terms of knowledge.